So, good day everyone. Our presentation for today is about enhanced mobile-based record management with e-payment with SMS notification, a performance evaluation. So, next is the introduction. So, one of the most critical aspects in the collection, monitoring, and recording of student payments, such as tuition fees, miscellaneous fees, and other school-related charges. Traditionally, many schools still use manual processes or paper-based systems. So, to handle these transactions, while this approach may be manageable for smaller schools, it often leads to issues such as misplaced records, delayed updates, lack of transparency, and difficult in tracking balances. So, the system is designed for small to medium institutions requiring basic records management and financial transactions. It integrates SMS notification limited to transaction confirmations and account updates, and the study focused only on mobile-based platform. And next is the conceptual framework. As you can see, the diagram represents the online record and payment management system. Then the user accesses the system through a registered website where they authenticate via the primary login. The system relies on the internet connectivity as a web-based and mobile-based platform to facilitate communication between users and the server. Next, the website server acts as the central processing unit, handling user requests and ensuring seamless interactions with the database. As you can see, the database is structured into multiple modules, including user management, which handles authentication, rules, and profiles. Then the document management, which stores and processes user-uploaded documents, which is the SMS, which likely enables the notification and verification page. Next is the materials and methods. So as you can see, the research was conducted at the Registrar's Office of BIST to evaluate the system's performance. Respondents were invited to complete a survey using Google Forms. A total of 100 participants took part in the survey. As you can see in the figure, the respondents include students and alumni, as they were the main users involved in the request and payment process, as well as staff from the registrar's office who were responsible for overseeing and managing the entire process.
So now I will discuss the result and discussion. So the study applied a developmental descriptive design, focusing on creating the system and evaluating it. The system was built as a mobile platform integrated with a payment gateway and SMS API. So when we say developmental descriptive design, so ano daw siya is, ang descriptive part is, ang developmental part is the researcher is mag-create or mag-develop of something. Tapos, after developing it, the researcher test, evaluate, o describe its performance, usability, o effectiveness. So, developmental descriptive design is kanang mag-build og something new, then i-describe ang system kung how well it works based on user feedback or evaluation tools. So, on summary and conclusion is the final chapter summarized the study successfully developed a mobile-based record management and e-payment system with SMS notification. So, recommendation is enhancing. So, ang recommendation sa ilahang study is enhancing SMS features with reminders, expanding to a web-based version, strengthening system security, and exploring AR4, advanced data management and feature study. So, ang researcher, overall, ang research nila is nag-made silang mobile app that lets people manage records, pay through an online payment system, na mag-receive sila automatic SMS notification about silang transaction. So, among proposed na data is about enhancing their study. So, we will be enhancing some parts nga nasa recommendation nila, which is, ang main na mo is mag-i-expand na mo into web-based platform. So mag-develop may web-based version of the system to ensure accessibility for users who prefer this platform and provides administrators to more flexible monitoring tools. Second is enhanced notification feature. So instead nga SMS notification lang siya, i-extend na mo siya into mag-include ni og reminders for upcoming payment deadlines, new balance o successful record updates. Pwede pod magbutang og multi-channel notification like email or push alerts. So sa third is strengthen ang security measures. So pwede mag-implement og advanced security protocols such as two-factor authentication, data encryption o mao lang. Tapos we will also improve user accessibility, kanang mag-design mig kanang user-friendly interface with support for mga features nga accessible nga like para sa recommendation nga mag-explore og AI for advanced data management in future studies.